Hello and welcome to Navigating Lightship. Nicole here, Product Manager at LightshipWorks, and today I will show you the lock extent function on web. Lightship allows you to run data reports on a map. When running these reports, the map will automatically zoom so you can see the entire selection from the report. To stop the map from moving away from its current position, click the lock icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, when a report is run, the map will stay at its current zoom and position, but all features will be selected on your report even if they are not visible. To return to the standard zooming functionality, click the lock icon again in the bottom of the screen. Now, when a report is run, the map will zoom to the boundaries of your selection. Thank you for joining another session of Navigating Lightship, where we showed you the lock extent function on web. For more helpful information or to learn more about Lightship, please visit our website at www.lightshipworks.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for news and updates. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.